Hey guys, I'm here with a quick unboxing of the Elgato Stream Deck. Now I'm going to talk about some stuff while I open this. I did get an SSD the other day, and I was doing unboxing and like a setup I didn't want to, but I just wanted to get that open but we will be unboxing this. So to open this, I believe how do I do this? I mean, I could just peel the plastic, but kind of lame. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm dumb. There's another thing on it. There we go. Okay, now. There we go. A lot more easier. Okay. So. Okay. And here, you get like your manual, I'm guessing. Manual, quick start guide. Yep. We don't care about that. But what we do care about is this bad boy. Take that out. Now, there's a couple ways to set it up. Now, you do get your little, I don't know, stuff, whatever. But yeah. So here's the Stream Deck. Looks really nice. Buttons feel really nice, clicky. Pop to the microphone here. Probably can't hear that. It's so quiet. You do get a USB 2 cable, so that's nice. And I believe that's it. I mean, so with the stand, it comes in like different ways to like prop it up. So here's your little stand. Now, because I want to get this because I wanted to stream more. I want to try to stream more. So yeah, I can program all these little buttons on it, which is nice. So let's see if I want to prop it up. You got the small little ones, then you got the big one. So I'll just use the, let's see. Probably the last one would be good. Yeah, probably like that. And then put your Stream Deck on here. Boom. Now you can program buttons. So yeah, if you guys like this unboxing, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.